everyone. So today I'm going to talk about this G63. I actually have two here. This is a 2025 and we have a 2024. And I had a question actually asked one of the customers that owns a 2021. The video that I made regarding wind noise, where you can hear like a wind type of sound and screeching on the earlier model. So I personally have not experienced on our 2024 model having any problems that are related to noise, that are anything that's abnormal. Obviously it's a big box, so it's going to be more wind noise, but I want to kind of compare the two different versions, which is, this is the facelift, slight facelift, has the V8 twin turbo hybrid. The one on the left, the 2024, does not have that. They improved in the 2025 versus the 2024. I'm going to go on the test drive and show you guys as well. All right, so we are at 60 miles an hour. You can kind of start hearing the noise. Now, it's not that bad. It's really just slight wind noise, but nothing dramatic. Now you can hear it. So this is what you should expect to hear on your G63. I mean, I even have this on vehicles that are not this square, like the GLE. You experience some of this, the ML, BMW slightly. You can hear this, but it's a little bit more louder on the G63s. On the 2024, they're sticking out. So this will cause noise. This right here, that sound, you can experience noise. I don't have problems with the 2024. Also, if you notice the rubber gasket on these, this rubber gasket is different on the 2025, but I'm going to show you on the inside. So on the inside, also the issues that the earlier ones had, like a 2019 and up, is these plastic trim pieces start to creak when you drive. So that was a question that I had from one of the customers that's having the same problem. And what we do is we install felt. The reason why I had this problem come up was some of my customers and my buddies that own these had that problem, and I had to come up with a solution, and their problem went away. However, the wind noise stayed, but the wind noise is kind of a thing you got to live with. So on this one, I believe the noise starts at around, I think like 60 miles an hour. You can start kind of hearing things, and that's because the wind is being deflected here and here, and it's nothing really you can do about it. And then also the way the air travels, it creates a windy situation here. But here's what they did on the 2025. They now have this rubber gasket with this deflector. See how this deflector just protrudes? So this helps a little bit with the aerodynamics of the air to kind of travel and not create noise. So on this one, I've noticed that the wind noise starts at around like 70 miles an hour, versus that one's around like 60, where you can kind of hear it. So they did definitely improve that. And this is a flat piece of trim that I've showed you guys. Another cool feature they added is this little spoiler. And this little spoiler really helps to guide the air here. That way it's not just hitting the roof, creating the wind noise. On the 2024, it doesn't have it. Really where the major of the noise comes from. So I hope this gives you guys a little bit of understanding. If you own one of these, you don't want creaking sounds and noises, get the 2024. That's kind of my solution, or fix it. Maybe install the trim. It might be just made a little bit nicer on the 2024 models. You could probably replace it. But the felt seems to work just fine. And I haven't had any issues in the back. It really doesn't bother me. The wind noise is zero problem. But I see how it could bother somebody. We can definitely say that the 2024 models have been a great improvement as far as creaking sounds. Noise is still there, but it's not that bad. The 2025s have been redesigned. There's really no issues until you hit about 70 miles an hour. So definitely a big improvement on that. Of course, there's other drawbacks. But anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe.